How to fix WhatsApp web not downloading files on Windows. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix WhatsApp web not downloading on your Windows. So if you're having issue with the WhatsApp, then you'll have to follow the steps. Now first of all, you could check that the file that you're downloading is compatible or not, after which you could also try checking your internet connection, as sometimes the issue might be from the internet connection or poor unstable internet connection. So you could also always make sure to restart your router and reconnect it to the Wi-Fi, and that should be able to fix it. Apart from it, what else you could also do is you could also check for Windows updates. Sometimes this might be an issue, so you could go to the settings and you could go ahead and check for the updates. Just go to your items and you could see those update from the top right, and here you could see whether it update is available or not. So you could see in my case update is available, so I just have to click on install all and the update will start happening. After which you could also try restarting your device, and that should be able to fix it. So these are some of the ways to fix WhatsApp web not downloading files on Windows. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.